Hi, Helen. I'm just going to give you some feedback about the assessment for last week. So, this is an online speaking assessment. Thank you for responding to Hooray's entry. That was great. That shows your encouraging conversation and, responding to other students' ideas. So, that's great. Um, what I notice right away when I look at your entry is that it's quite a bit shorter than most entries. So I think what you're missing here is detail. So you really want to think about the questions and then answer in at least 2 to 3 sentences, if not even 4 or 5 sentences. Because that's how you're going to, if you say an idea or an opinion, then you're going to give examples of those ideas. And that's even when we're speaking, we don't usually speak just in one sentence. So it doesn't sound like you're speaking here. It doesn't sound like a discussion, and it should sound like a discussion. So the first one was about her personal journey. Did she achieve it? Yes. They arrived at Klemtu, but what else are you thinking about that? How was the journey for her? Was it difficult? What did she learn along the way? What was the importance? The word I used was significance. What was the significance of this journey? So I want to know what you're thinking about this. And in terms of environment, the environmental message, it's much more than about animals and views. It's about protecting these wildlife areas for future generations. That's what the core message of the film is about. Number 3, are there other themes in the movie? So I mean, yes, he's important, Uncle Don, but what were the main messages, the main ideas that come through in this movie? Like many students wrote that it's about honoring your family. It's about the journey of a young girl growing up. It's about connecting to your traditional territory. It was about the pipeline and the danger of expanding oil pipelines on the impact it will have on the environment. So number 3, you could really expand there. And that's about all. So if you could do this again with added detail, that would be great. Okay, thanks, Helen.